Hello, I would like to present you the fourth and the last part of the AMOS II copy and paste tutorial, which deals with bags. Collections in AMOS II, we have bags which are the correspondent to result set in SQL. And then we also have vectors which doesn't exist in SQL. And they don't really exist also in relational databases, with the exception of PostgreSQL. So I will start the AMOS system, and in here we have a number generator, iota 2 6, 6, and it generates numbers from 2 to 6 incrementing by 1. This bag can be assigned to a variable, and then I can display the variable, and with the in function we extract the values from the bag, and it seems that is exactly the same result as before. Then we have select x from number x where x in B. So in this select is a special form because in the standard the SQL language standard from defines the source, table, view, user-defined table, user-defined function, you name it. But in here, actually the source is in this area. And if I run it, again it will return whatever I have in the bag. Now we will do some operation with aggregate functions over sets. We get a bigger set, and let's run a count and a few others. Count of B, 100,000, sum of B, it's a very big number, and average of B is what it is. And then we will implement this statement in here. I will not go forward with other aggregated functions. Sum, select n from number n where n in B, and let's keep it like this, and we have exactly the same value as before. And what is going on? I don't know the behavior of the statement that they use in the tutorial, which is like this: where n in B limit 20. And if I do it again, 1, I will not type B. Okay, so what is going on? I do not know how this, which is the behavior, I'm doing a sum at face values. At face value, we are doing a sum over the values, entities stored in B, in the B bag, and we take only the first 20 values. But in SQL, this statement without an ordering clause, we wouldn't be able to get deterministic results. And why this? Because we have no guarantee of which are the first 20 records. We don't know. If we run it right now, we will get a certain subset. Then if we run it later, after some indexes are activated, we will receive another subset. Still there will be 20 elements in count, but possibly different. And I don't know which is the behavior of AMOS in the context of such statement. Maybe is based an implicit ordering based on how they have been inserted into the bag. So which numbers, the value that has been inserted first, it will be the first, and so on, like in a list. But of course it's not a list. Aggregation over bags. We create a new bag with values from 1 to 30. And we do a sum with a little bit more complex logic. X in B2 we specify the source, and X is bigger than 7. And we get what we get. And then we create a new set which is exactly the same statement. Bigger than 7, and we will apply the function sum to this result bag and see what is happening. We have exactly the same values, and the average of B3 bag is what it is. So this is the fourth and the last part of the AMOS copy and paste tutorial. Thank you very much for your attention.